Yeah, Namaste India, and I am Dr. Rajshekar. I am the director and HOD of New Oxford Reni Heart Institute, Reni Hospital, Karimnagar, Telangana. I congratulate all the people who are working for the welfare of the heart of all in India. On this World Heart Day, the objective of my talk is to understand, to make all of you to understand about heart attack and how to prevent the heart attack. हम सबको मालूम है the heart is the most important organ in our body, pumping the blood throughout the body. That is the most important organ, and it keep on beating from the birth to death, non-stop. It is working, keep on beating, and as like every other organ, heart also needs its own blood supply for healthy functioning. And this heart is a muscular organ. It keeps on pumping, and you see here, and this muscular organ, it gets a blood supply through the small arteries, 3 to 4 millimeter coronary arteries. These are the coronary arteries, and 2 on the left and 1 on the right side. And this coronary artery supplies the blood to the heart muscle. And due to the various diseases, like किसी को blood pressure है, sugar है, or cholesterol है, stress है, or overweight, due to various risk factors, cholesterol gets accumulated. Cholesterol वहां पे deposit होके ये जो small arteries को block कर देता है. It blocks the small artery, which ultimately lead to complete blockage, lead to the heart attack. This is what heart attack. And suppose when the heart attack comes, how the patient will present? The patient can present with the chest pain, sweating, decreased blood pressure, breathlessness, or even sometimes collapse, and even sometimes very severe heart attack may lead to sudden cardiac death also. Sometimes the patient can have warning symptoms before the heart attack itself. Somebody can develop chest pain on walking, on doing heavy work, and some palpitations and giddiness. All those things can occur. These are the warning symptoms before heart attack also, and they should understand this, and they should have a cardiac checkup with the cardiologist and find out the disease. So what are the risk factors of this heart attack? The main risk factors I already told you. Main is hypertension, there is increased blood pressure, then sugar and cholesterol, and decreased activity, and more stress, and also now the more important risk factor is disturbed sleep or very unhealthy sleep. Otherwise, obstructive sleep apnea. There is a condition obstructive sleep apnea where people are snoring, and that also causes more coronary artery disease. And these are the risk factors. How to avoid this heart disease? Now, to avoid heart disease, you have to reverse everything. If you are overweight, you have to bring it to ideal weight. If your BP is more, you have to bring it to normal. If your sugar is more, you have to bring it to normal. Your cholesterol is high, you have to bring it to normal. Your sleep is disturbed, you have to have a good sleep. And you have more stress, you have to de-stress yourself. So these are you have to reverse. If you reverse everything, maybe the blockage in the coronary artery, in your heart artery, if not, it get reversed, at least it will get stabilized, it may not progress further. So to reverse your disease in the heart, you have to reverse your lifestyle. Your lifestyle intervention is the most important. That means you have to have more physical activity. That means more aerobic physical activity like cycling, running, and even swimming also, jogging. See, all these physical activities, it can take away the cholesterol deposits. It reduces your bad cholesterol, increases the good cholesterol, and also it reduces your even stress level also. And when it comes to diet, you have to reverse the diet. See, we take the main diet as a carbohydrate, side diet as a fruits and vegetables. You reverse it. Your side dish should be the main dish actually. Like that, what you increase the vegetables, you increase the fruits, you increase the nuts, and take less carbohydrate, the main diet, and also that too, not refined carbohydrate, but whole grains. You take, and more fish, Like vegetarians, more fruits and vegetables, nuts, and these are the things that the healthy diet actually. What we are a lot of people taking is very high carbohydrate, high less in fiber, but we should take more in fiber. So the very healthy diet and also more physical activity, very good sleep, very happy mind, very less stress, that lead to a very healthy body and healthy heart. What happens today in India, in our nation has a good asset of younger population. But this younger population, now they are challenged by this life-threatening illness called heart attack. And what is the peculiarity of heart disease in India? India is the heart disease capital and diabetic capital of the world. That has become more disease in India. And now, how it has become in India, our country, rather than very hard workers, now we have reformed workers like confined to chairs, more in the mobile, more in the computer, less physical activity, and more refined junk food like pizzas and like burger, pizzas, and all these kind of unhealthy food, and also more less physical activity. That is pop and less games. जो less games in children and everything, even childhood obesity, and all those things leads to onset of heart disease at the early age, and also rapid progression and more mortality. That is what happening in India. That is why the worldwide, there is 17.9 million population died due to cardiovascular death in 2017, and like that, gradually increase in India also. And the most of the 1 in 4 deaths occurring in India, in our country, it is due to cardiovascular death, and 85% of this cardiovascular death is due to heart attack. And that is why we have a compulsion to understand about heart attack, and we are compulsorily we have to protect our own heart to live a healthy life. And that is what the message we want to say in this World Heart Day 2021. And we need to use digital health to connect to every heart, to spread this message, to keep all of your heart very young and healthy. And young and healthy, that is by understanding about your own heart, how the heart attack, understand about your own heart, understand about your own body, and prevent heart attack. And I wish all of you to have a very healthy young heart and to have a healthy life, longer life. Thank you all. Thank you.